Aaron, neighbors told me that this is the calm before the storm. Now, take a look at this road here behind me. It's kind of clear right now, but residents say when they wake up, they'll be unable to see these roads.
All of a sudden at 7:30, here's brown water on the street, and it just sneaks up on you.
That's become the norm here in Bolsonaro, where for many residents, heavy rain means flooding. The last storm brought so much water, one family even pulled out a canoe, turning flooded streets into a makeshift waterway.
My dad and them had the idea to bring the canoe down, so I just had some fun.
Road closure signs went up earlier today as water covered parts of the neighborhood. While most of it has since receded, silt and even strawberries were left behind. Neighbors believe clogged culverts are to blame, saying they haven't been cleared in years.
Our biggest thing is they said, hey, there ain't no filled runoff in here. Well, then where's all the strawberries coming from?
One resident showed us minor flooding in her backyard, warning it can get much worse if the rain continues.
We just have a family-sized pool in my backyard. Instead of last month, we had an Olympic-sized pool because it was so flooded.
Bolsonaro's not the only place in Salina seeing storm impacts. Cars drove right through floodwater on a closed road off Alisal and Hartnell. And close to Hartnell College, a sinkhole formed in the middle of the road.
It's been the roads and the weather, because this is with Hartnell and the school and the students, we have a lot of traffic.
Until the rain lets up, neighbors say they'll keep lining their homes with sandbags and watching the forecast closely.
You know, this neighborhood, everybody pulls together and we get it all covered, you know, but we sure would like some help from the county.
And a lot of silt is left on the roads, and it makes it super duper slippery. So if you have to leave your house during this weather, be extra careful. In Salinas, I'm Jasmine DeJarnette, KSVW Action News 8.
All right, Jasmine, thank you. Highway 1 is